A very good news. Airport Authority of India. There is a recruitment notification for managers and junior executives in some of the disciplines, and all the BTech stream are eligible for this. The advertisement number is 5 by 2020. And before we get into the details of this notification, we'll see in the official site how you can download this notification, and the link for this PDF will be given in the description link. This is official site of Airport Authority of India. As you can see, if you just scroll down a little bit, and if you just go for careers page, as I'm highlighting here, you just click on here, you will be directed to one page which shows the recruitment advertisement number or the dashboard of Airport Authority of India. As you can see here, this is direct recruitment for the post of managers and junior executives in various disciplines. This is updated on 26/11/2020, and if you just click on here, you'll be directed to another page which is looks like this, and if you just click on download, and you'll be having the PDF link over here. We'll just look into what are the number of vacancies and experience. For some of the posts which are of manager level, they are asking experience for 5 years, and we are not concerned for that post. Now we are concerned only for the freshers post, that is junior executive air traffic control. This is what we are discussing, or we are focusing. The requisite qualification is bachelor degree of 3 years science, that is BSc degree, any degree with physics and mathematics as a subject in their bachelor degree, that is they should have physics and mathematics, or a bachelor degree in engineering in any discipline. So this is what degree in engineering in any discipline is required. So all the BTech persons who have completed their bachelor degree in any discipline, that is electrical, mechanical, computer science, aeronautics, and also various disciplines are eligible for this post. And you can see here there is no minimum experience required, so this is absolutely for the freshers who can apply for this. And the number of vacancies are 264, and this is a great opportunity for all those persons who are unemployed. So the number of vacancies are totally 264, and the categorical division, as you can see here, 107 for OBC, 26, 72, 40, 19 for different categories. And also this post is junior executive air traffic control. This is a remarkable post, and for junior executive airport operations, they are asking graduate in science and MBA of 2 years duration, or a bachelor degree in engineering. So for this post, even everyone who have done their bachelor degree in engineering are eligible. So even this post, that is airport operations, this is also one of the remarkable posts. So bachelor degree in engineering they are asking. So they are also no experience is required, and the number of vacancies are total 83 vacancies, and this is a categorical division of these vacancies. For junior executive, that is technical, the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in mechanical or automobile, so there is no essential experience required. So this is also for freshers. The junior executive, that is technical, there is only 8 vacancies, and this is a categorical division. Let's see what is the pay scale and the criteria, and how the things will be going on. So the post identified suitable for persons with disability, this is the PWD category, those who are eligible for this post. So if you have PWD, just this is what the post code is all about, some of the things. And candidates with BE, BTech or degree are allowed to apply against any post which essential qualification prescribed as bachelor degree in engineering. So the age limit for manager post is maximum 32 years, and also the cutoff age criteria is 30/11/2020, and for junior executive the maximum age is 27 years as of 30/11/2020. And there is also relaxation of 10 years for PWD and 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC. See, this is what the operation relaxation for 5 years for Jammu and Kashmir persons, those who belong to different states, they cannot entitle this, but only Jammu and Kashmir has a relaxation of 5 years. The operation limit is 10 years for candidates who are in regular service of Airport Authority of India. So this is what the age criteria: 32 years for manager, and junior executive trainee, that is 27 years, and 5 years relaxation for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC. And the important dates to apply: this is what the online application date begins from 15/12/2020, that is December 12th, and also last date for online application will be 14/1/2021, and tentative date of examination is not yet disclosed in this notification, so it will be intimated even in this my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe so that you will be notified. So this is what the pay scale for manager scale is: 60,000 to 1,80,000. For junior executive trainee, 40,000 to 1,40,000. This is what the pay scale is all about, and the CTC for manager scale is around 18 lakhs, and for executive is 12 lakhs approximately. This is what the pay scale is all about. So only Indian national can apply, and the eligibility criteria we'll be seeing in this video. Only Indian nationals can apply, and the age, the cutoff date for age is 30/11/2020, and there should be a EWS category who have to submit the EWS economically weak section at the time of document verification or interview. So this is what the criteria of age is all about. So the required rounding off of percentage marks will not be acceptable at any circumstances, and so if there is 59.99% will be treated as less than 60%, and this is what the criteria is all about. And now we will be discussing the selection procedure. The selection procedure is based on candidates will be shortlisted based on their performance in the online examination, and they will be called for document verification. So there will be an online examination, and after that if you are selected for further procedure, document verification, interview, physical measurements, and also endurance test or driving test or voice test as the post you have applied. And there will be some of the tests after the completion of a written test, that is online examination test, as notified in the selection procedure. So this is what regarding the as most important thing is for junior executive trainee, that is 8 traffic control. Online examination will be followed by the document verification, voice test, and a background verification. See, voice test is a must for junior executive trainee because you will be communicating with the different pilots throughout the world. So voice test is must. You need to have a bit accent, and the candidate shall have a minimum proficiency in both spoken, which is in English, of a 10+2 standard, and candidate shall have passed English in the subject of 10th or 12th standard. So he shall also contain ICOA language minimum proficiency level 4 for the purpose of issue of license with the rating. This is what the examination after the air traffic control written exam, followed by the voice test. So most of the persons who are qualified for the voice written test will not be qualifying for the voice test. So please do be careful and practice from now itself. You may be having an advantage over the persons. So the provisional selection will be based on the merit based on their online examination, physical measurement, and also the voice test and background verification. as the post applied. So this is regarding the criteria of selection, and also there will be a bond of rupees 7 lakh and 5 lakh respectively to serve for the period of 3 years, and selected candidates can be posted in anywhere in the India. So how to apply? So you will need to fill in the application form. Before that, you need to pay. Most important thing is application fees, ₹1000 for all the categories except SC/ST, and for SC/ST there is ₹170. So the fees is high, but job is really exceptional, and fees is paid only online mode itself. So after December 15th you will be having a link provided to apply online. At the time you need to pay a fees of ₹1000, and if you belong to SC/ST or female candidates, so SC/ST and female candidates are just ₹170, and then you need to proceed further for the application form. So general instructions is, before submitting you need to ensure that you have the degree and also you fulfill the eligibility criteria, and the online examination will be in Hindi and English. So that's it. If you have any other things, you have any doubts, and also please check my playlist for any further updates, and also some other job updates also. I have given the link in the description, or you can see it from the eye icon right now. That's it. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Share this video with your friends or those who are in needy. Thank you. Have a great day.